Hello everyone, I hope you're all having the most wonderful start of the new year. First and foremost, I just wanted to say thank you so much for all the love and support. You guys are so amazing and I'm truly grateful for each one of you. I have missed you guys and I know it's been a while, but it's vitally important to take some time to be with my family and soak in some fun and new memories we have created the whole holiday season. But I'm so excited to be back and share with you all our living room New Year's refresh reset. With the new year being in full force, in this video, come with me as I clean, decorate, and create some budget-friendly glam DIY decors. It can be so tedious when taking down and cleaning the Christmas decorations, so I wanted to take my time when cleaning and taking them down. I made sure I took my time in packing and organizing them out so that for the next year, it will be much easier for me to find and use them. It took me a whole week to fully clean and get into the nooks and crannies with all the glitter bombs from the Christmas decors, and to decorate and create some DIYs. When you clean and take down your Christmas decors, what are your tips and tricks to make it easy for you? Comment below and share your ideas. I'd love to know. Now let's get back into the living room reset. The new year is all about fresh starts and looking forward to the future with optimism and positivity. And in this video, I wanted to start that with deep cleaning and a more refreshing look with all the clean white colors you will see in this video. So if you want to see how I've done it and get some ideas on how to decorate with some glam budget-friendly decorations, then please continue watching till the end and for the final reveal. so much for watching, and I hope you have enjoyed this video and get tons of ideas in decorating your living room for this new year. If you did, please kindly show some love by giving this video a huge thumbs up. I'd sincerely very much appreciate it. And share this video to your family and friends so that they can also get a touch of glam ideas for their home. And if you have not subscribed yet, I truly hope you consider doing so. I hope to see you on the next video. It'll be our master bedroom refresh. Again, thank you so much for being here, and I hope you all have an amazing day. God bless you all. Bye!